back to my channel. I am Shante Marie. For those of you who do not know me, you can find me on Instagram under I am Shante Marie. And I also have 2 new pages that I've started for my hairline and also for my lashes line. And actually no, I have 3, sorry, and 1 for my my Swanked Organics products that you guys have seen me feature in all my videos, majority of. So I don't normally do these type of videos where I come on and I talk. I more so do hair tutorials, and I just keep it simple with words, text throughout the video. And I try to zoom in as much as possible so you guys can see what's going on versus me having to do a voiceover, and I'm just too shy for all of that. But I'm basically making this video because I've been getting a lot of comments and feedback on my previous post, which is with the lace frontal mixed with regular box braids in the back. So I've been getting some questions, pardon me as I look at my phone, but I've been getting some questions on there that is very repetitive, so I just figured I'd make a video. So a lot of you guys are stating how me braiding my client's hair in the front and then gluing the lace frontal down is making her hair situation worse. I can see where you feel that way, or you would think that. So the cause of her not having hair in the front, first off, she hasn't had box braids in years. And I was sitting down with her doing her hair the last time she came to visit me, and I asked her, like, when's the last time you had box braids? I was just curious. And it took me like probably 5-10 minutes to figure it out, and I asked her to come in 2 to 3 weeks later. So that's how this all sparked together. I just wanted to make sure my client could wear braids as well because she has no hair in the front, as you can see. What is the cause of it? She has alopecia, and it's also from her having kids. So it has nothing to do with tension or any of that sort. I don't know who she was with prior to me, but all I know is I've been doing wigs on her, and I don't go on her hairline when I'm placing the glue, the adhesive on her hair. It's not going on her hair, it's going in front of the hairline. That's how you want to make sure that you're not thinning the person's hair out, and you just want to make sure you stay away from that. Also, it has to do with the removal process. Some ladies are just ripping their hair out. They do not have the patience to wait 10, 15, 20 minutes just for the rubbing alcohol to set, or whatever method that your stylist or you would use. You have to make sure you're being patient with the frontal in order for it to lift. You don't just rip it off. So there are steps in the removal process that you have to take, and you do not want to skip out in order to prevent hair from coming out. Also, me braiding her hair in the front, there's no tension. And also, if you feel like you're heavy-handed, which I'm not, you want to make sure that you're talking your client through the process. Hey, is this too much? Am I tugging too much hair? Are you okay? Does that feel tight? So I make sure my client is comfortable the whole time she's in my chair. And I will try to post an updated video if I can when she comes in. Another question was, how long will it last? So the longevity of the style, 2.5 to 3 weeks. Minimum, if you're sweating a lot, going to the gym, whatever, 2 weeks, I would say. But she has been, as I stated, coming to me and getting wig installs, and she herself told me that it lasts her up to 3 weeks. Then that's when you want to get a maintenance, okay? So when you do the maintenance, you're just going to touch up the front hairline. A lot of you guys are saying, oh, this is a great style. You don't have to worry about the new growth. Okay, so if I have to braid her down again, then that's what I will do. But when she comes in for the maintenance, I'm more so just going to cleanse the scalp, cleanse her lace frontal, and then reapply it. So I might have to cut into it, or whatever the case may be, and make the necessary adjustments. If it's going to damage her hairline any further, glue is not on her hairline per se, so I mean, it shouldn't damage whatever hair is left there. Also, another question, I'm so sorry, pardon me, that I was getting was, where am I located? I am based out of Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area, and I do travel. So Another reason for me recording this video is also to pick 5 ladies, because a lot of you are stating that you also have alopecia or the front of your hair looks similar to my clients and you want to get your hair done. So what I'm going to have you do is follow all my social media platforms. So that's going to be any page of my Instagram. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do so. If you don't want to, that's okay as well. I respect that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to contact me. So if you don't have Instagram, that is okay. You can just email me directly and you will send your email to swankdtressessalon@gmail.com. I'll leave that information down below in the information box. Please, please, please send me a photo of how your hair looks wherever it's damaged. It doesn't have to be in the front, ladies. It can be anywhere. But send me a photo and then tell me the ultimate style that you wanted or want. And then I will come up with a way to see if I can give that to you. Again, I'm not a stylist that will take your money and run and just do whatever. If I can't do something, I will tell you, like forget the coins, I will tell you and let you know, and hopefully another stylist can do that for you. But again, this is more so a consultation via email or text, okay? So if you, for my phone number, you can go on my website, www.swankdnation.com, or my main Instagram, which is I am Shante Marie, and you will find my phone number on there. I don't want to put my phone number here, but it's definitely out there. But you know, there's some people that they go beyond and above, and I don't want to disclose that in my phone number information. So if you truly want your hair done, you can go ahead and contact me. Send me your name, your city and state, a photo of your hair and the style that you want, and we can go from there. So the cities that I'm normally in, I'm from New York, so I'm normally in the Bronx. If I'm not staying in the Bronx, I'll be in Manhattan. I do travel to Atlanta a lot. I want to start traveling to California, so perhaps if you're in the Cali area, we can probably get together. Miami is close. I am in Florida, so anywhere in Florida. If you want me to commute to you, then that'll be a $50 charge. If you commute to me, then you're just commuting to me. So it's based off of when you're available and if I can achieve the look, okay? So this is for those who are suffering from hair loss, they have alopecia, and their stylist at the moment is saying that they cannot achieve a certain look. And hopefully the method that I do or can use, you can go back to your stylist and share that with them, and maybe then they can continue to service you. I'm not here to steal anyone's clients. I just want to make sure that everyone, all ladies, even gentlemen, I'm not working on guys yet, but I feel like everyone should feel beautiful despite, you know, whatever hair problems they're going through, okay? So thank you for tuning in. I hope I covered all questions, but that was the main thing. People think that braids are ripping her hair out. It's not. That's just from her having kids, and she has alopecia already. And when she came to me, that's the state that she was in. We started her hair journey over. She went and did a big chop with me, and I'm just proud of her for being such a phenomenal woman. So shout out to you, my client. Thank you so much for trusting me with your hair, and thank you for everyone who has commented. It is a lot to respond to, but hopefully me just liking the comments and posting on my page is enough for you. I love you guys with all my heart. I appreciate your views and your feedback. It keeps me going and trying to post these videos. And I honestly don't even know how I'm gonna come back from this. Like the next video, you guys are expecting me to drop some jewels. Like, I don't even know. But I hope I don't disappoint. And yeah, thank you again for all your love. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.